Hi everyone, it's Melanie. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do. Today is another, I guess you can't really see this, it's a pool day, kind of get ready with me. I'll be inside and outside, and so I kind of want somewhat of a makeup look, but also I'm gonna be in the pool, so I definitely want skincare to be at its best. So I've already prepped my skin with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I feel like that's the best one to keep any kind of foundation like set. And then I did use my Shiseido Synchro Skin Foundation. It does have a SPF 30. So that is all over my face. I'm going to put on a little bit of eye makeup. So I'm going to use a primer here. This is the Ulta Matte Eyeshadow Primer. I feel like it just has really good grip, and so again, we're gonna be splashing. I'm gonna do a very simple look here, but in case I mean, you're in the pool, you're gonna get wet, right? I always hate those people that are like, oh, don't get me wet in the pool. Like, you can get me wet. So I want to make sure that my makeup is gonna still look good when I get out of the pool. While that sets, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows with my Winky Lux eyebrow pencil and my clear brow gel, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to contour my face with some powder products. So this is my Smashbox step-by-step contour palette. I use this in a bunch of videos in the beginning. This is the contour shade, the bronzing shade, and I think that's a highlight shade. Very rarely do I use it. Maybe I should explore it more, but not today. So I'm gonna go in with the contour shade, contour my face. Now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. So how is everyone doing? COVID seems to be kind of calming down here in Florida. At least it feels that way. I don't know if we're all just getting so tired of it that, you know, everyone's kind of moving on, or, you know, how are you guys doing? I have really been loving the YouTube community. Let me tell you, they're some of my new best friends. I was watching a live with Britt Clark with Ruby. Hi, we should be friends, because I think we would get along. But just enjoying some of the friends I'm making on YouTube and watching the videos, and it's like you have friends in all different states. So to those of you who are new, please comment, let me know where you're from. I had someone from Missouri, I had someone from Vegas, so I'd love to know where you are, what you're doing, and how you're spending your free time, if you have any whatsoever. So for my eyeshadow, I'm actually going to use the same pan. I just want a really cohesive bronzy look. So I'm going to go right into that bronzing shade and use it on my eyes. So I'm going to take one of the Artist Couture Diamond Lights finishers. This one's in Spotlight Glitz, and just pop this on the lid. Here's a swatch of it. I just think it'll give like a really shimmery, I'm just gonna use my finger. I got time to mess around today. But if you guys haven't checked out Britt Clark's lives yet, they are awesome. She just did a live this morning using Wayne Goss's new palette, and we convinced her to also use the eyeshadow palette on her face. So if you're interested in seeing how that went, definitely go check out her video. But overall, just the people who are on those lives are awesome. Britt's amazing and super entertaining. I tell Ben, like, the fact that someone can entertain me for an hour live is pretty fascinating. So, you know, go check it out and go support some other channels too. Okay, I'm feeling bronzy and glimmery, so I'm gonna go in. I am actually gonna do an eyeliner. I know it's a pool day, but this eyeliner has been really great. I got this eyeliner in an Ipsy glam bag. I did a Ipsy ×2 unboxing. I'll link that video up above, but it was my glam bag and a glam ultimate, and this eyeliner came in the glam bag. So it's the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. Has a very, very thin tip, but I've been wearing this the past few days, and that wing does not budge. Like, it's even difficult to get off at the end of the day. So I feel like I can actually wear this and it won't go anywhere in the pool. So we'll find out. Well, that eyeliner is actually giving me a little trouble today. It's the way to do is some touching up, but you know, it's as good as it's gonna get today. It's as even as it's gonna get, and honestly, I don't really care. So I'm gonna go in. I did put some of the bronzing shade just underneath my lashes. I'm gonna put on some mascara. So I'm gonna go in with the Milk Waterproof Kush mascara. I love the regular Kush mascara as well, but this one's waterproof, so it's perfect for pool and beach days. So who is pumped for their FabFitFun? I saw a sneak peek, I customized, I did all the things, and I have an idea of what's coming to me. I was watching Leah Janae's sneak peek video. Thank you, Leah Janae. And I'm super, super pumped for the fall box. If you guys don't do FabFitFun, you definitely should check it out if you're a subscription kind of person. I have recently, you know, loved Ipsy so much. I feel like after so many years, Ipsy's really like nailed everything they're sending me, so I don't even buy that many other things outside of what I'm getting. Like, I'm just using it and getting it. I used a Frank Body coffee scrub that was amazing to exfoliate this morning. So I'm just loving using the product I'm getting, and I feel like it's a really good bang for your buck, and I'm not really buying that much outside of what I'm getting. So do you guys do subscriptions? And if so, which ones are your favorites? What do you feel like you get? If not, do you just go buy what you want, and what are you buying? Because I haven't actually like outside of the e.l.f. unboxing that I did, that I'll link that video up above, and that's super, super affordable makeup. I haven't really purchased any lately. So what are you buying? Okay, well, I was looking for the Sol de Janeiro like body shimmer that I got, and I can't find it anywhere. So I'm gonna find that because it's a brand new one. It's perfect for this kind of vacation. Maybe it's my beach bag. But it's my beach bag. But I just want a little bit of shimmer, so I'm gonna take some of this Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops and just pop them on the shoulder for a little bit of extra glow. So that is what that looks like. So there is kind of that shimmer, you can see. It's just kind of putting it on my collarbones and on my shoulders, and I put it on my cheekbones as well, so there's just a little bit of color. Put a little bit on my nose. But it's very buildable, I like that. It's not just like a streak of highlight, so it'll look like a nice flush little glow here on my cheeks, which I'll naturally get when I'm sweating, so no issues there. And then to top it all off, I do have my Touch and Soul. Is it Touch and Soul? No, wrong brand. Sol de Janeiro perfume. So this just smells like beach goodness. It's like ultimate summer smells. So I want to smell nice, and this will do it for sure. All right, everyone, that's it for today. I hope you all have had a wonderful weekend by the time this goes up. I'm smelling beachy, I'm feeling good, so I hope you guys are all having fun. Again, if you're new to me, please subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you're doing and where you're from, because I would definitely love to know, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.